Wel, os wyt ti'n nabod Shakira, Steve, bydd hwnna'n grêt. Diolch yn fawr.
See what I can do.
Sorry I'm late, it's really mad at home.
Croeso nôl at ni, Liz. Croeso nôl. We're just discussing our end-of-term party. Ni'n mynd i gael cocktails, sgwas a bisgedi, a Shakira.
Swnio'n brilliant, ond mae'n drwg gynnau fy mod yn mynd i miso fe.
Ti'n mynd i golli fe, pam?
Achos dwi'n mynd i Vegas! Mike's been offered an Elvis gig out there, so we're moving the wedding forward and getting hitched out there too.
Llongyfarchiadau.
Congratulations.
Llongyfarchiadau.
Ni'n headband fori.
Ie, llongyfarchiadau.
Congratulations.
Ond beth am dy glyweliad gyda Hugh Chiswell?
Pwy?
Hugh Chiswell! Hugh Chiswell! Hugh Chiswell!
He's this really nice Welshman who's brought joy into so many Welsh people's lives.
Diolch.
Mae hefyd wedi cael audition a fi gyda fe. We have to fly tomorrow. Mike said we've got no choice. We're picking up an Elvis wig made of genuine Chinese man's hair.
Oh, that's not good enough. You've got to do this audition. Mae fe'n gyfle bendigedig.
I know, maybe I could audition when I come back in 3 weeks.
No, people are queuing up to perform in front of Hugh Chiswell on these bales of hay. And I know an old cello player, hen uchreuwr soddgroth. Mae fe wedi bod yn aros 35 mlynedd, 35 years he's been waiting for this audition. You only got it because of that incident with the lance.
What? Penwythnos reenactment Hywel Da. Oh. I know, dwi wir wedi siomi. Dwi wedi ysgrifennu can newydd y popeth.
Oh, let's hear it.
Oh, dim nawr.
Oh, go on.
No, I'm sure Heaven's organised a special class.
No, I was just going to play a couple of old videos. Hang on. Pam os ni'n ffilmo'r glyweliad, why don't we film the audition, and then you won't have to miss it. We can send it to Hugh Chiswell. Steve, if you put your phone to a sort of non-sleazy use for once, then we can use the camera on it, and it'll be brilliant.
Ti'n siŵr? Oh, that would be brilliant. OK.
Yay!
Sorry, what are we doing?
Noson.
Lawen,
Noson.
lawen,
Noson.
lawen,
Noson.
lawen.
Ydych am fod a dyledu wedi gwisgo'n bert a theidi.
Cael noson hwyl llawn o jocs a chafi.
Rhan gwario dwy ar mewn beidi. Noson.
Lawen,
Noson.
lawen,
Noson.
lawen,
Noson.
lawen,
Noson.
lawen,
Noson.
lawen.
Ydych am fod a dyledu.
Oh, yeah, sorry, we're going to have to go again. I didn't press the thingy.